On occasion, it may be necessary for you to add additional users to your eClass course or site. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add a participant into your eClass course. To begin, click Participants on your eClass course homepage. On the Participants page, you will see a list of enrolled users. To enroll a user into your course, click Enroll Users. Type in the name of the user that you want to bring into the course into the search bar. Once that person has been selected, you are then going to choose a role in which they could have within the course. This will be directly under the Select Users option, here under Assign Role. You may notice many options here. The first option currently selected is Teacher. By having the role of teacher within the course, they will have full editing access within the course. Next, there is the option of non-editing teacher with grade view or non-editing teacher without grade view. You will also see other options below this, such as the option of clinical instructor in nursing classes, embedded librarians in FYE classes, or student completing an incomplete. Please note that regularly enrolled students will come in through the sync with the registrar's official record, so there is no need for instructors to add students to their course outside these circumstances. Additionally, the student completing an incomplete role essentially acts as an add-on to the original student role. When you add the incomplete role to someone who is already a student, it allows them to continue accessing an eClass page after it has been automatically hidden from all other students at the end of the semester. This then allows students with an incomplete to continue their work unhindered. If you are managing an eClass site, such as a community site or a committee site, the roles of facilitator and participant are recommended. Facilitator is the equivalent of a teacher role, and they will have full editing access. Likewise, the role of participant is equivalent to a student role. Participants will be able to interact but not make any changes. Once you have selected the role that you would like this person to have, you can click Show More. From here, you can select a starting date that you would like the enrollment to begin. You can also select an enrollment duration. If you would like them to have unlimited access, you would just leave that as the currently set unlimited. You can also select an enrollment end date. Upon making any changes in here, go down to the bottom and select Enroll Users. The user is now enrolled in the course. There may be times, particularly within a community or committee site, that you will need to update your participant list with new people. If you need to delete users from a course, you can simply select the trash icon that is located next to their name. This will unenroll them in the course. If you would like to edit the person's enrollment status within the course, you can simply click the pencil icon next to their name. This will then bring up the enrollment options again for you to make changes from. Lastly, if you would like to change the role of the user within the course, simply click the pencil icon. You can then remove their current role and search for a new one. If you are happy with the changing of this role, you can then click Save. This will now officially change their role within the course.